In this video, we'll show you how to stock up the rooms.
So first you want to make sure that the sink is stocked. So you would want to go ahead and grab your consents and just look through all of them to make sure that they all have full and they have enough, especially the ones that we use the most, like prescriptions, biopsies, and you would go all one by one. So for example, here I see that the neurotoxin is empty, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it so I know that that needs to be refilled. I'll do that for the rooms. Once I know which consents are needed, I'll print the ones that I need and I'll put them back into the room. After that, you can go ahead and put this away, and you want to make sure you have enough gauze, enough Q-tips, and tongue depressors. If you need to restock from here, they're gonna be right up here on the cabinets. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my gauze. Usually you want to start with the one that's open. If none of them are open, you want to go ahead and open one half up. And you're going to go ahead and put enough to fill in. And then you can go ahead and close it up. This one is pretty stocked. You also want to make sure that the A solution, which is alcohol, and then we have the B solution, which is water with essential oil blend, are filled. When they get to about halfway or lower, you can go ahead and refill them. So I'll show you how we refill B. After that, you do want to go ahead and make sure that we have enough of the things that we use on a daily basis. So for example, this, I would go ahead and take some time to organize these specimen containers. We always keep some extra here for when we need to do more than 2 biopsies at a time. We want to make sure we have enough. I'm taking these back to the lab because we don't need that many here. And you want to make sure you have rulers, which are great for measuring when we're doing biopsies. The things are put away correctly in its place. Like right here, we have 2 calculators. We only need 1. We're also going to need some extra lidocaine with epi for the biopsies in case we need to do additional. And we're going to keep some extra markers right there. Okay. Here you want to make sure you have enough band-aids, alcohol pads, and all of these you can find in the lab. We have the 30 gauge needles, which are the ones we use the most. We have extra lubricators, blades in case we need any, and then additional needles that we use as well. So we have these, we use a 28 gauge for injections like B12 NIC. We have extra syringes here, and then we have Botox needles as well, and some extra like the 25 gauge. Want to make sure you have razors in here, and we have a applicator for cool sculpting in here as well. So I'll take inventory. So from looking at this, we are fully stocked here. There's nothing else I need to refill, but if it needed, I would go ahead and write it down on a piece of paper. I'm gonna go ahead and go down to the second drawer, and I'll go ahead and organize this. Sometimes when we pull the pillowcases, these will fall off. So from time to time, you're gonna have to restock. We wanna make sure we have enough towels in here. We have pillowcases, so in this case, I'm gonna need to refill the pillowcases, so I'm gonna put pillowcases. We have enough ice packs, we have the cool sculpting applicator measurements, and then we have chuck pads here. So the only thing I would need here would be the pillowcases. Now right at the bottom, we're gonna have gowns. So we have disposable and cloth. We're good on cloth. Disposable we're gonna need. So I'm gonna put gowns. That way I know that I need that from the lab and the rooms. I'll go ahead and go over and check all the rooms, and then I can go ahead and grab the things that I need for each room.